Mommy's Helper Toilet Seat Lid-Lok, set of 2 by Mommy's Helper is one of the best sellers among baby bathroom safety products. Quick and easy to open. The one-hand release operation is easy for an adult hand, but difficult for a child. Easily attaches to all types of bowls and lids. Simple to remove when not needed. No adhesive required and you don't have to unbolt the seat to install. Easy for adults to open, fits most standard toilets, installs without tools, simple, one-handed operation. The Mommy's Helper Lid-Lok helps keep your children and plumbing safe. The Lid-Lok helps prevent curious toddlers from accidentally falling into the toilet and helps protect little fingers from being hurt by heavy seats and lids. It also helps prevent active babies and toddlers from throwing toys and household items into the toilet, hence, protect your children and your plumbing. The Lid-Lok installs quickly without tools to help keep your baby, your valuables, and your plumbing safe, and is easy to release for adults and older children.